Hi, welcome to Sean's Kitchen. For today's recipe, I'm going to take a bowl and add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Along with that, here I'm also going to add half a cup of Semolina Rava and half a teaspoon of salt. After adding all of these dry ingredients, I'm going to mix all of this really well. After mixing all of the dry ingredients, here I'm going to add 1/4 cup of ghee. After adding the ghee, I'm going to continue to mix this really well. After mixing all of this, here I'm going to add half a cup of icing sugar. And I'm then going to continue to mix this until all the ingredients have combined. After mixing all of this really well, here I'm then going to add 3/4 cup of coconut milk. I'm going to add the coconut milk in batches and begin to knead this into a dough. After kneading this into a dough, you can then cover this with a kitchen cloth and keep it aside for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'm then going to take the dough and I'm then going to divide the dough into small balls. After dividing the dough into small balls, you can then take a fork and place it on the back of the fork and spread it evenly at the back of the fork. After spreading it evenly, you can then gently roll it from the back of the fork. And once you're done rolling it, you can then seal the back of the dough. You can then repeat this process until you've made all of them. Once I'm done shaping all of them, I'm then going to keep this aside. And I'm going to then take a pan and add oil deep enough to deep fry. Once the oil is hot enough, you can then deep fry the kulkuls until they turn golden brown. When you're frying it, you want to fry it on low medium flame so that while it cooks, it does not get burnt easily. Once it turns to a slightly golden brown color, you can then remove it from the flame. If you cook it further from this, it will tend to get burnt. Once you're done removing this from the pan, you can then transfer this to a kitchen towel on a baking tray.